Ciao to everyone!
Hello!
Today we are going to prepare the Florentine dessert, the tortini di riso.
It's a kind of rice muffin and the main character of this dessert is rice. So it's a dessert of port tradition. Let's go! Let's start our recipe budino di riso. We put our milk in the pan. We are going to warm up a little bit. After that we add some sugar. We stir the sugar and we soak the sugar very well in the milk. Then we add a little bit of lemon zest, like big pieces, so it's easily then to take out. You can add, if you want, also some cinnamon if you like, and then the rice. You're going to cook this one for 40 minutes, more or less, you see. Our milk with rice is start to boiling, so now we put down the fire and we let cook, as I said, 40 minutes. We are ready now to start our shortcut pastry, pasta roll. Meanwhile, our rice is still cooking in the milk, and here we have all the ingredients to prepare our short crust. Here are our ingredients for shortcut pastry. So we start with the flour, okay? Then we put the butter that we already cut a little bit in small pieces, okay? And then we add our cast iron sugar, and then 1 egg. And then we are going to quick mix. We add a little bit of lemon rind. Okay, and we are going to mix. Okay, our shortcut pastry is ready. You know, the consistency is nice, so soft and flexible. Now we are going to rest for 20-30 minutes, wrapped in the plastic in the fridge. Our shortcut pastry is ready. I just take out from the fridge, and now it's time to take out the plastic and start to prepare our filling, our outside of the cake. Okay, I will use some flour to flatten our dough, and okay, I'm going to flatten our dough. Now it's ready, so it should be thin like this. Okay, and then we are going to butter our recipient, taking some of our dough like a square, and we are going to put it here. Gentle. Okay, something like this. And then this part we are going to cut like this. Okay. We are going to finish our filling of the rice that we already cooked in the milk. You remember? We add 2 egg yolk. Okay, and then we add also 1 tablespoon of vin santo. You know, doesn't matter. You have children, no problem. And then we are going to mix and fill it up our rice pudding. Now it's time to fill it up our rice pudding. Okay, something like this until the top. If you like, you can put also some cinnamon, maybe after cooked. Now it's time to bake our rice pudding. So we put just cover just with aluminum foil, and you make with some fork. Okay. Avoid to burn the rice. Okay. Once we cover it and we put some hole, we put it in the oven for 30 minutes, 180. Okay, now our rice pudding is ready. So now we are going to serve. You just need to take like this. Then we put a little bit of cinnamon around for the color. And on the top we put some. Here you are,